G'day. In today's video I'm talking about what can you do in your business or your shop that's challenging but you can make it a specialty. For example, currently I've been doing a lot of iPads and I've managed to track down a good quality replacement panel for them. Where typically iPads used to drive me up the wall because I'd install them, make sure the connections are fine, glue them in, finish the job, and faulty touch. So bam, have to repair the whole screen, start again, do it again, find the correct part that's going to work in there, get it in there, test it before putting it in there, and then finally it's faulty again. Used to drive me up the wall. But currently I've got a new supplier of them, and iPads I used to absolutely hate. A bit time consuming, chipping out glass, using it on a heat pad, whatnot. Now I like them. I like them because I've got them down to a relatively simple process for me to do. I know that the part that I'm going to put in there is going to function 95% of the time rather than 30% of the time. So I know that the chance of me having to redo it and test it prior to putting it into or gluing it in, sticking it down, finishing the job, I know it's just going to work. So with that, I found that they're slowly becoming a bit of a specialty. Also, I've been using my blue laser light separator a fair bit more and done about 2 or 3 in a day now. And that I used to utterly despise until I upgraded my tools. And now I can get all the glass out of there, usually within about 15-20 minutes after it's been used in the laser machine. I did find I had to tweak settings for the white model of screens as opposed to the black model. The black model seems to come out just fine with the stock settings. Granted, could do with a little bit of tweaking, but right now they're slowly becoming what iPads used to be to me, where they're a good way to make money. They're pretty straightforward once you've got the method down just right, and they're extremely satisfying if you don't have to do it again. So for example, I found with the glass separation, once all the glass is removed, it's perfect. You stick down that new glass, perfect fitment, looks brand new. People can't tell anything's been changed. And that's how you know you've done a good repair. If people can't tell it's any different to the original part or any damage has been done, you've done a good job at repairing. So the short of it is, try and make what's difficult and challenging as easy as possible, and who knows, you might grow to actually like that particular challenge. Anyway, just a rambling thought, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.